Hey guys, this is Fun with Brittany. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Today what I want to show you is basically how I did my nails using the Nailboo dip kits. This is a sponsored post by them, but don't worry, I only give my honest opinion on all the products that I try, and I only review the products that I use and buy over and over again. And if I review products that I don't like, I make sure to let you know. Nailboo is one of my absolute favorite brands. I'm super excited to be working with them. And I did the color Sunday Brunch, but I took it off so that I could show you Sunset Star. I really love this color. It reminds me of like a dupe of one of the Christian Louboutin colors, the one that is the orangey red color, and those polishes are, well, they're only polishes and they don't stay on very well at all, so it's good to duplicate them with a dip powder. These stay on for around 4 to 6 weeks, 3 weeks probably when you're still learning, but if you're really good at painting your nails yourself, you will love the Nailboo dip kit. It's so easy to do, and yeah, you only have to do it like one time to learn how to do it correctly. If you follow the instructions exactly the way that they've laid out in the little instruction manual, they will turn out fairly perfect. I'm obsessed with my nails right now. I love it because I can do them exactly the way that I want to. I don't have to bother with going to the salon, which is also like $150 for nails and toes. This is saving me a lot of money. Each little powder container is good for 30 manicures. If you buy one color, that's enough for like the whole year. So I think it's a really good value. If you use my coupon code Brittany20, it will give you a 20% discount. I am obsessing over the color Sunset Star. I love it. This is my go-to color, and I'm so happy that I found one that I absolutely love. A lot of the Nailboo colors that are orangey do end up looking kind of red, which I love because I'm always looking for like a bright orangey red. Anyways, I'll show you my nails that I did myself, and if you want to see a step-by-step tutorial, go down in the description bar and you can find my video where I did the color Sunday Brunch, and I laid out step-by-step for you exactly what to do to get the look. This is what the color looks like inside of the container. Please go down in the comments, like this video, and also let me know if you would try the Sunset Star nail color and whether or not you've tried Nailboo before and what you thought of the product. Definitely let me know if there are some other colors that you would like me to review, and I'll be more than happy to accommodate that because I know that sometimes the powders look a little different in person, and I'm really impressed with the way that this one turned out. So I'm happy to try other colors for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Stay tuned for more Nailboo videos because I will have several colors coming out. I normally stick with the pinks, purples, and different variations of red. I hope that you guys will stick around to see some of those color reviews as well.